Uncrewed aerial systems or drones are disruptive technology that are reshaping industries worldwide. Drone use is increasing rapidly, and it's my mission to make drone science entertaining and accessible. Before we start, I want to share something that can transform your drone program. We've worked with over 50 enterprise programs and found the exact factors that separate struggling operations from those that deliver millions in ROI. We've put these insights into our free Enterprise Drone Program Maturity Assessment. It's a $2,500 value. It's designed to show you your program's maturity stage, reveal your top 3 quick wins, and give you a roadmap for growth. Don't miss out on this free opportunity. The link is in the description. Hi, everyone. Jason San Souci, the Do You Know Drones podcast. We are here with micro episode number 3, live from the Commercial UAV Expo in fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. This is definitely not our first rodeo for myself or my distinguished guest. I am very happy to have founder and CEO of the Tachyon Group, Nate Ernst. Nate, welcome to the show.
Absolutely. Thanks, Jason, for having me.
So I have one question. I'm asking everyone one question today. We're going to make an amazing stitched together mosaic of amazingness. Thankfully, I have an amazing crew that'll do that for me because I'm not that good at it. But they are. The one question, look, we've been doing this for decades now, right? This industry is not new. And we were just having a conversation right before we hit record about what you personally believe is going wrong in the drone industry. So that is the one question today. The one question today is, what, in your opinion, based on your perspective, your purview, your experience, what is one thing that this industry is getting wrong?
Yeah. So, if we think about this, right, you and I have been in the industry for many, many years, right? Let's go back to like circa 2011, 2012, right? Just prior to 107, commercial UAS became a thing in the United States, and we were trying to figure this out, right? And so to get approval, it was 333 exemptions or certificate of authorizations, and then 107 came along. What did industry do, right? Industry was made to believe a narrative that, hey, it's 2012. In 6 months, we're going to have beyond visual line of sight. We're going to scale UAS all over the place, and there will be drones flying in thousands of miles in every direction 24/7, right? 2011, we thought it was 6 months. Well, guess what? It's been 15, 16 years now, and Part 108 is finally here. So what did we get wrong at that point in time, right? Entrepreneurs, I'm one, you're one, we all want to scale. We ended up having to feed what happened to be a false narrative to Wall Street for money. Hey, BVLOS is going to be here in 6 months. I need $400 million today so I can scale my company. And all these companies were building their brands on the narrative that regulation was going to comply at that time. That was a major mistake for industry. We did not necessarily organically scale, right? We scaled on the basis of what we thought would happen beyond visual line of sight regulation, right? So now, 15 years later, and all of this attrition and consolidation and RIP to some of those companies' bankruptcy, right? Based on those narratives and beliefs, we now have a chance to fix that. 108 is here. The official narrative and proposed rule for beyond visual line of sight is officially upon us. And now we as a community have the ability to comment on it. We have the right to comment, and the FAA has to review every single one of those comments, even if there's 10 million of them. So what do we have the opportunity to get right now? We can craft the holy grail of Part 108 based off of all of the lessons we've learned over the past 15 years. And then we can go back to industry and now scale correctly. We don't have to go after these lofty goals of what could be, right? The rule's here. It is here. Now we have a chance to make it right.
I think that's highly insightful for many different reasons, because we have had a ridiculous amount of time worldwide. So, I mean, we're talking about the U.S. commercial drone industry, but this industry is a worldwide industry affecting almost every vertical market you could possibly even think of. And we've had a lot of battle scars. We have a lot of experience. We have a lot of things that OGs like us are just like, hey, you know what? If we would have known this, we would have done this. So now we're doing it different. Now we have an opportunity to do it different. And what's really interesting, conversations that we've had
with the FAA and those that are responding, like Commercial Drone Alliance and all of these other folks, they're opening the kimono.
Yep.
And they're saying, hey, you know what? We don't know.
Yep.
You need to take your massive experience and you need to tell us.
Yep.
That is the opportunity today.
Absolutely.
Right? So whatever we thought they got wrong, or whatever we thought the industry was getting wrong over the last 15 years, you're absolutely correct.
Yep.
We have the chance to fix it now.
Yes.
That's huge.
This is industry's second chance to get it right. And most industries don't get it.
They don't. No, they really don't.
Right.
It's like, oh, wow, that didn't work. I'm sorry, Palm Pilots didn't work. It just evolved and some of the things went away. Yeah, sorry, they didn't get a second chance.
Right. Absolutely.
Wow. I like that.
So that's my takeaway. And, and this is a broken record for anybody that's following 108. Comment, right? We have the ability to craft this narrative now.
I'm already calling it. There needs to be over 100,000 comments.
Double-edged sword. 100%. You're right. But just keep in mind, when Part 107 NPRM came out and there were comments, the industry was, a fifth of the size?
Oh, yeah.
As it was?
Absolutely.
It took the FAA about 18 months to get through those comments.
I'm fully aware.
100,000 comments. We're 2, 3, 4 years out before official rule. Just be advised.
That being said, there are definitely organizations that are consolidating that you can look, the conversation, there'll be plenty of conversations here at the Expo about how to comment, how to personalize it, how to make it real for you. I would still highly recommend everyone do that. It's not something that you need to just, hey, you know what? This person came out with this. I'm going to copy paste.
Yep.
I'm going to say, don't do that.
No.
Don't do that. No one's going to recommend doing that. That has just constantly been a mistake. They're just going to view all of that as just one. So you need to tell your story. So I think that's the most important thing to say. And you're right. The industry is a lot bigger now. There's just going to be a lot more comments. However, they have asked for them.
Yep.
They have actively said, we want all of those comments. You all have unique perspectives. You all have things that we haven't thought of.
Yep.
Let's go nuts.
Absolutely.
Nice, man. Well, Nate, I really appreciate you having me on the show. Like I said, micro podcast. My guest, Nate Ernst. This is the Do You Know Drone podcast. We'll catch you next time. Bye now.